Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, and old man in the land of the grills. And yes, we've made some changes, put up some more shelves, moved some stuff around. We got some more to do yet, but today I got a lot going on today, and I want to do some ribs. I just got a half rack ribs, but I want convenience too. I don't want to be, I got comments that I've been neglecting my Webers, and the people making those comments are right, but you got to have time. And time is what I don't have today. I got a lot I want to get done. So I'm thinking of just firing up one of the Z grills, Pellet grills. These things do a great job. And just do a half rack ribs. I'll show you how I prep them. We'll put them on the Z grills and give you a look-see. And in fact, it's going to rain. So we're going to put this off to the side so we can get the truck in the garage, because I just detailed it yesterday. Oh, that's important stuff. All right, so this is the 600 series from Z grills. I'll leave a link down below to the review I did. It's a very affordable pellet grill if you're looking for a first pellet grill, folks. It does have a PID controller, and what I like about it is the amount of room it has. They've done this design where the second shelf is almost as big as the bottom shelf, and we're going to utilize the top shelf today for my ribs. Put a drip pan down below so I don't have to worry about any cleanup. It's going to be super simple, folks, and this little grill just does a great job. I'm just shocked by it. If I had any criticism, it'd be the size of the pellet hopper, but you know what, Tom Horsman on YouTube, I do have a mod plan to double the size of that. Super simple to do too. Let's get her fired up. Take a look at those ribs. All right, doing the prep. Prep's easy. I want to remove the skin. I already got it started, so you didn't have to see me struggle a little bit. But I usually go from the short end and I use a paper towel. A lot of people talk about a bread knife, and I just don't. But you can see how it just comes off here. And that'll take some of that fat off that you don't need on there. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna put some seasoning on there, and onto the grill we'll go. All right, so normally I would do this the night before, cover it and let the seasoning sit. That would be the preferred way. But this is kind of like a game day decision here. And I am using something a lot of people like, and this is Famous Dave's Rib Rub. The stuff works very, very nice. Onto the grill we'll go. Super simple. Got the Z grill set at 225 and 228 is what I was reading. PID on this thing does a very nice job, folks. Ribs are on. Now, here's when I talk about doing something hot and fast and with convenience. From pulling this out and turning it on, and that's all I had to do, and prepping the ribs to getting the ribs on, and the grill's already at 225, that's 15 minutes. And that's pretty good. Now, the only thing I'm going to do is I got a little bit of water, and I am just going to spritz once an hour. Just keep them moist. That's all you got to do, folks. Give you a couple look-sees. I had a little rain move through. I'll tell you what, the middle of October. Well, it's close to the middle of October, but to have it in the 70s, actually upper 70s and very humid, is something that you don't get that very often here in Wisconsin in October. 222 set up 225. I had a whole bunch of things going on here today, and that's what's great about cooking on a pellet grill. And we're just going to give her another spritz. Take a look at it, get a little color on there. If you're wondering what kind of pellets I'm using oak pellets. I use the ones from Z Grills, and I really like them. And you can tell them that they're a high quality because there's very little ash with them. They burn nice and clean, give a nice taste. I like the taste of oak. I'm really starting to develop a taste for oak pellets. Really like them a lot. So, give you a couple more look-sees. So far, so good. Easy peasy. All right, folks, about 2.5 hours into it. Let's take a quick look here. Oh, yeah. Some real nice color on that ribs. Tell you what, this does a very, very nice job. Like I said before, I got a lot of things going on today. And to have this going in the background, doing all the work for me, makes it super simple. All right, it's been just about 3 hours. Gonna take a temp with at this point we usually do wrap, but I just want to check the temp. You see the nice color, it did split, so obviously this wouldn't be competition style ribs, but we'll just take a look here. See our interior, 140, 139, and a thicker part, 140. So we are going to wrap now, and I'm just going to use that pan, put it in there, and put some tin foil, aluminum foil over it, and let it turn up the temp to about 300. Let it go for a little shy of an hour. All right, I dumped whatever water was left out of the tray. Got the ribs in there, 12 ounces of Coca-Cola on top of it, and some brown sugar. This is going to go on at 300. You could take it to 325. Remember, sugar burns at 350. So you want to stay on the safe side. I'll probably go 350 and 320. But we'll set it back on the grill for about an hour, and then we'll give you a look-see. All right, 15 minutes in, I did set it for 325. You can see we're running 331 right now. Put my Oklahoma Joe puck up there just to see what the temp is. And you can see, look at that, 325. So any questions as to whether or not this grill is accurate? I think that answers it right there. All right, so that was 1 hour, 325. Now you're gonna say, Tom, what do you cook this to? Well, it's pork 165, but we always, when it comes to this point, I wanna cook to probe tender. So just take a toothpick, and there's still a little resistance in there, which is, it's not bad at this point. So we're gonna sauce this, then put it on. I got the grill set back down to 225, and we're gonna put some of this burn pit barbecue sticky fire on these ribs, put them back in the grill, and get a little bit of a crust, hopefully, on there, and then serve them up. All right, folks, about 5.5 hours. Take a quick look. Oh, yeah. Oh, those are looking mighty nice. Those are ready to come off. Give you a look-see once they're plated. Oh, man, when you take a look at that, that's picture perfect right there. Easy to do rib, folks. So while these ribs are doing, I did some woodworking. I did laundry, cleaned the house. I even polished up some of the grills here in the land of grills. There's the Homer. Oh man, one of my favorites. But these ribs, I know you're saying, Tom, it's about the ribs. Look at the smoke ring. You gotta take a taste test. That burn pit barbecue, that sticky sauce. Oh man. Oh, look at the juice. Got a little bite to it. Not overly soft. That's good stuff right there. Folks, I hope this was helpful. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.